Hi, Christy with Frugally Thrifty. Been a long time coming, but we're finally it's done, and I'm super excited. The final look of our new Frugal Kitchen makeover. I wanted to do a video so that I could show you guys. Please excuse how I look because it's midnight, and I get to play with the camera. So I'm going to show you guys what $1,000 gets you when you do the work yourself. So get ready. You're going to be amazed what $1,000 can do. Okay, so I am behind the camera now. I'm going to show you my entryway. In here, all we basically did in here was paint, add a couple accessories, table, my meal center, space for the kids to be able to put their bags, and of course the kitty cat's new sleeping place. So basically in here, a can of paint, actually found it in the Oops paint section at Lowe's for $5, and figured it'd be the perfect fit for us. Now we're in the living room. Living room got all new sheetrock. It had wood paneling, took it all out, had to replace the header, found termite damage behind there, which we knew there was a problem. Well, guess what? We fixed it. It no longer has a problem. Haven't put the trim back because we found out that when you take 1/4 inch wood paneling out and put 1/2 inch sheetrock, doors don't quite fit. So we have to shim it and get those back up. No big deal. Didn't do anything in here except for add a little paint. My husband redid the kitchen table with a quart of black paint from the free sample of Glidden last year, and a little bit of polyurethane. So total out of pocket on that. Literally hardly anything. Back in here we found a $20 rug at a thrift store, put it on the ground, called it done. Still have to do the floors, but that's for another project. Floors don't look so great in here right now. These two pieces next to that are on each side of the TV actually came off a FreeCycle. FreeCycle is great if you're looking for something, but you don't have a whole lot of money. In our case, we wanted to flank the TV, but we didn't have the money to go and pay the $1,000 that we wanted for the two pieces, two shelves, and a piece to go across the top. These were actually already done for us, except for they were a blonde color. Changed the color up and got two new pieces of furniture. They do have doors on the bottom shelf. We just decided not to put them on there, and we still have to put the top board and get it painted, but that'll come at a later date. It'll be no big deal. So now it's finally here. I'm ready to show y'all. Y'all are going to be, I think, impressed. We have completely redone the kitchen. Looks nothing like it did before, and here it is. Our new island and our new stove side. So each towel on that backsplash, which is teal, was done one by one by me and family, but took about 3 days. Well worth it. Just a little time consuming. Have to be patient. The oven was dropped down about 6 to 8 inches, and I was able to put my microwave up top so my counters are not cluttered. They're nice and clean, and I can be able to use them instead of just having a cluttered mess like I had before. These are new cabinets. We actually built these in place. In this area was where my refrigerator used to go. So we had to build a top cabinet and a bottom cabinet. And so in the top drawer of that big drawer, we actually have my cooking utensils. The second has my pans, and the last one has all of my pots. Then up here is, of course, dishes and, you know, all the other mumbo-jumbo stuff that you have to have in. We added some crown molding to the top to finish it off. I think that was like $12. Easy, quick addition for you to add. New ceiling fan, new lighting. Love this light. Very, very bright. Added a new pot light back over there because there wasn't anything, but we needed a way to get the refrigerator area a little bit more lit. So then we have, of course, my new refrigerator. Absolutely love it. This is not included in my Frugal Kitchen makeover price because, well, that was kind of something that we didn't anticipate. After about a week and a half of the refrigerator being there, oh yeah, guess what? The good old refrigerator decided to die. So I didn't include this. It was unexpected. We were able to get an awesome deal on it, but it just was not an expected cost. We put a cabinet up at the top, houses my husband's deli slicer and stuff like that. Since it's not a used item every day, it can go up there. We've got a pull-out drawer system, so he can pull it out, and we're done. The little niche that's cut out up here, when we bought the new refrigerator, or when we put the first one in, I'm sorry, it didn't turn on hinge, which means the doors didn't open upon themselves, so the refrigerator actually stuck out a little bit further. So when we bought this one, we decided, okay, well, we've already finished that wall, but let's just go ahead and rip it out again and take out about 6 inches so that we could make sure that this new refrigerator actually fit in the hole that we had built for it, and instead of being stuck out too far. The island came off of Craigslist. It was free. Definitely deals to be had for free on there, or almost dirt cheap. It had to be reconfigured a little bit, but, you know, a little bit of extra love into it will turn around and make anything free that much better. Got the sink off of Craigslist because mine got broken in the whole chaos of this kitchen remodel, but, you know, all is well. Got a new sink out of it, Craigslist, and then we've got 4 cabinets on this side. 4 cabinet doors. That is basically just extra storage that we normally wouldn't have. So we lost some, but we gained it back. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my kitchen remodel, my finally over frugal kitchen remodel done. The flooring is next. That is actually going to be really, really simple. It's a vinyl wood plank flooring. It's not actually the wood itself. It is just a vinyl piece of flooring, and we're just going to take everything out and tack it down. But, you know, that'll be on another episode. So I hope you guys enjoy, and really, really like to see that, you know, a little bit of money goes a long ways. You just have to put in the time. In our case, lots of time, because we have been doing this since mid-February, I think. So, but the finished product is here. I can finally say I'm done. Super excited. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope to continue speaking with y'all, and have a frugally thrifty day. Bye-bye.